Hey guys, I figured I should do a different video than I normally do, and that's to show all three of these '04 to '05s, '03 to '05. I'm sorry, I can't speak. 2004 to 2005 Lasko 3733s, and give y'all a little view on how they look, and I'm going to start them all up. So this was one of the first ones that I seen. Pretty dirty, not terribly. Well, I can't say terrible, but with that cigarette infested fan, I think this is nothing. This is nothing because this fan is pretty. It got some dust on here and some cat hair. Well, all of them do, but let's see. And obviously, this one doesn't have the hole for the stand. This one is the second one. This one looks similar to the others. Yeah, it looks similar to the others. Has the same back grill as well, same motor, same knob. They're all yellow, which is weird. And you guys seen this one. This is the one that I previously made a video on. So I figured since I'm going to clean these up, and I'm thinking about doing a little something different with one of them, I figure I'll give them all a run all together. So without further ado, here's high. Now these all blow the same, and but their motors are different. Like the first two on the to the left, these are actually faster. These are the faster models. The one on the right runs regular, and even when they're dirty, they still have these two on the left. They still have their power. Going out some good slash moderate there, but not as much yet until I get them clean. All three of these fans are out of balance, yeah, these are all out of balance, unfortunately. They shake like crap as soon as you turn them to a different speed, like from medium to low. I don't know why, but that just happens. They just tend to do that. And what's weird with a couple of these, these two on the left, they have the whizzing sound. And for them being from 04 to 05 with the cheaper blade, you would have thought that it would just be sounding regular. No, this one the first one, that actually has a whizzing sound, and I think you guys can hear it. It's very faint though. It's like with every fan, with every duplicate that I had, that I would acquire, they will always, they're always different from each other. That's why I like collecting some of the same fans sometimes. You might never know what you might get. But off the low. They're all quiet. They're very quiet, actually. Mostly you can hear the cyclone. Hear a cyclone more than you can hear these three. Put them back on the high. But yeah, I thought I should, do a different video like other fan collectors do. Do a montage of having a couple of fans in the same video. But yeah, I'll get these fans cleaned up. I'm thinking about cleaning 2 tonight. I do want to use one tonight, but depending on how late it'll be, and I don't know. I might end up cleaning 1 or 2 of them tonight, but I don't know. But I hope I can't speak. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.